Everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to become a premium member on Kling AI or how to upgrade your plan. So this is the same. So like if you want to get more credit or subscription based service, then you can upgrade your plan. So first of all you need to create your account, then just come in this website or app, then simply tap here right bottom corner, it's a my space, and you can see here upgrade your plan, so more credit and premium feature. Then you can tap here, then you can see here it's monthly base, like in a standard 150, like it means a $12, and you'll receive 66 credit and like 100 credits for 1.52. And here you can see the option, like if you want to buy premium package, then you'll receive 3000 credit per month. And also member benefits, like you can see here, first generations high quality mode, remove watermark, video extensions, masterful camera work, quality enhanced. So comparison of benefits, so you can comparison with benefits like a standard, pro and premier. So you need to choose which things you want, then simply tap here and purchase now BTD, and then you need to place your credit and debit card, then you can continue.